We're with Anjon Manufacturing, and today we're here at the Immanuel Lutheran Church.
We came out here so we could build a memorial pond for the lunch lady that worked here for 39 years, Miss Chris Romans. She passed this last winter when the kids were in school, and so we wanted to have a nice, beautiful water feature for her grandkids that go to school here, be able to see and enjoy, and all the people at church and the school to beautify the entrance. That's what we're doing.
And that's what Anjon does. They make a difference. So continue watching as we build this waterfall.
So we got Travis, he's finishing up the digging down there. We're at the top of our water feature. This is going to be a pondless waterfall that's going to have basalt at the top, flowing all the way down. So we're here just clearing out this section. We got to dig this all out, get all the roots out. We had to tear out some metal trimming that might puncture the liner. We'll roll out here with shovels and we'll start it.
Perfect.
Pull from this edge.
I think he wanted to see where we were going to be at.
This was wide enough to do that? Look at that Alabama.
Somebody hold that video up for us. Are we too far back? We're too far. Yeah, we're not going to cut it close.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining us. It's the second day of the build. We're working on some rock placement. We got a lot to come. Thanks for tuning in.
This is going to just come down. Okay. Here back and kind of hold it in without backing up the water too much. You know what I mean?
Too big.
I don't know if that's too big. It might. Yeah.
I don't know what else do you need to rock over here. I don't really know either. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate everybody joining us for this pondless water feature build. It was a memorial built in honor of Miss Romans in St. Charles, Missouri at the Immanuel Lutheran Church. We had a lot of people come out and help. The Anjon Certified Contractor Program, Anjon Manufacturing employees, myself. We had Travis join in and he was a big help, as well as I want to give a big shout out to Holly from Parkview Gardens. She supplied all the plants. It really came to life, and we'll see you on the next one.